My name is Dani, I'm an art instructor, and you're tuned into the Able Arts Work Virtual Learning channel. Thanks for joining me today. Today I'm going to show you how to draw and apply textures to a cone. So grab your pencil and some paper and we're going to get started. A cone starts with a triangle shape, but just for the two sides. As for the base, it's rounded. So we're going to show that by drawing an arc, connecting those 2 points. Now for the other textures that we've done, they were on flat faces of shapes. So it was pretty easy to go from our little texture notes onto a flat surface. So let's draw a texture that's the same as the ones that we've done before. Pretty much just scales. Just these oblong, rounded shapes. So, in order to show that this texture is wrapping around the cone, since it's rounded, we're not going to be applying it the same way that we did for the pyramid and the cube. Those had the textures on a flat face that were pointing off in distinct directions from each other. Instead, we're going to show the texture wrapping around the cone. So if we start at the top, we're going to start on one side of the cone, wrapping the bulbous shapes around to the other side. So once again, we draw one on one side facing in one direction, start wrapping around and facing frontwards, and ending off to the other side. And we're going to go all the way down the cone using the same technique. This is a helpful way to learn how to draw pine trees. As I get down towards the base, I'm making them larger to make it look like maybe they're growing out from the top, and if this were a living shape, the scales would keep growing out towards the bottom. So that's about it. Just remember that when you're texturing a cone, you have the pattern wrapping around, so the shapes will start pointing in one direction, start facing the front towards the middle of the shape, and then facing off in the other direction as they grow around the shape. Join me for the next video where I show you how to apply textures to more 3D shapes.